Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to another Haku song. I hope I pronounced that right again. The song is, I'm going to botch this, is it dedede or DDD or dedede? Dedede? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I've enjoyed my other Haku songs that I've reacted to. If you haven't seen them yet, check them out. Yeah, this one has some English subtitles, so I'll be trying to read and watch and do it all at the same time. So if you see my eyes kind of bouncing around a little bit, that's why. So, all right, let's get into this. I'm excited. I've been liking this band so far. This was a suggestion in my comments, so leave more suggestions for me to listen to, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. It's a love song, so how fitting for Valentine's Day. By the way, happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there who actually celebrates or does something for it or cares. Yeah. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, you guys, this is good stuff. It's kind of like slower, a little bit slower than what I remembered, or but it's good. It's a good switch up. It's a good change, and it seems like it's kind of like a lovey-dovey song. So I don't know. I'm a lover, not a fighter, so I like this song. So yeah, cool. I like it. She's got a good voice. I like my guitar work. Ooh, a little abrupt ending there. I like that, you guys. That was different. That was way different from what I remember and from what I've been listening to. So yeah, I like it. I like all kinds of music. I like all kinds of genres, all styles, all everything you can name. So that was really cool. Thank you for that suggestion, by the way. And if you guys want to hear another Haku song, let me know in the comments and let me know another song to check out and react to. Otherwise, You all have a great rest of your day. If you celebrate Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.